Katek! Welcome back to Digital Deco, the podcast that breaks down complex into bite-sized pieces. Ngayon pag-uusapan natin ang Web 3.0, ang future ng Internet. Dito na! To help us understand this revolutionary concept, we have a panel of amazing experts with us today. First up, we have Andrea. Welcome, Andrea!
Hi everyone! Excited ako maging part nito.
Next, we have Flor. Mabuhay, Flor!
Hello, mabuhay!
Then we have Judy. Welcome, Judy!
Glad to be part of the conversation.
And last but not least, we have Helen. Welcome, Helen!
Hello everyone, privacy matters.
Alright team, let's get started. So isipin na lang natin ang ating next evolution ng internet. Ang Web 1.1 is mostly read-only. Ang Web 2.0, ito yung nagdadala ng social media at user-generated content. Ang Web 3.0 is all about ownership and control, and it's decentralized, secure, and user-centric. So of course, ipapa-explain natin kay Andrea ang meaning ng decentralized. Andrea, pwede mo bang explain yan?
Sure, ang decentralized means na ang data at application ay hindi na naka-store sa centralized server na kinokontrol ng mga malalaking kumpanya. Instead, they are distributed across a network, making them more resistant censorship and points of failure.
So parang binabaway natin ang power mula sa mga tech giants. Flor, paano nagpe-play ng ang blockchain technology sa Web 3.0?
Blockchain is the backbone ng Web 3.0. Nagpo-provide ito ng secure at transparent na paraan para i-track ang ownership at transaction. Isipin mo ito as a digital ledger na everyone can access but no one can tamper with.
Correct. Judy, paano ni-improve ng Web 3.0 ang user experience compared sa 2.0?
With 3.0, it's all about putting the user first. Ito ay about giving people more control over their data, their privacy, and their digital identities.
That's fantastic. Helen, ano ang mga key privacy considerations sa Web 3.0 space?
Privacy is paramount. Kailangan natin i-ensure ang users ay may control over their data na ang kanilang privacy rights ay protektado.
So, bibigyan ko rin kayo ng mga some key real-world examples ng Web 3.0 applications. Isipin na lang natin yung mga decentralized social media platforms, NFT, marketplaces, at play-to-earn games. These are all examples of 3.0 application or yung Web 3.0 applications na nag-empower sa users or at nag-create ng new economic opportunities. Alright, Fox, before tayo mag-wrap up, isummarize natin ang mga key takeaways. Andrea, anong isang bagay na gusto mong maalala ng ating mga listeners about Web 3.0?
Web 3.0 is a building more decentralized, secure, and user-centric internet.
Flor?
It's about empowering individuals and creating new economic opportunities.
Judy?
It's about designing user experiences that are accessible and empowering for everyone.
Helen?
It's about protecting users' privacy and ensuring responsible data handling.
So it's about unlocking the full potential of the decentralized web. So thanks again to our incredible panel of experts. To all our listeners, thank you for joining us on Digital Decode. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the digital frontier.